Sige pa baro. Iki pat penrio. Jangga beri bat kamtam kiri. Kiba peru bakin tip sipang gani kari gujungi ke badani gani kaspa mariang kaba katni. Bat lesi. Idan kam ban ai kuble yiwei pai kabakan chop kuba ong haktin jo ba Manik. It is only when the you and 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 the me and the us come together. That is only when we can see the modern nation. See, it's like that, kid. When the people is coming here and they see all the beauty, I understand the men talk about the girls, I know, it's nice. But here, not talking about the beauty in the beautiful eyes, I mean the beauty of the beautiful skies. Kid. So like that, when we come in here, it's so nice. The air is so pangats. And of course, a little potholes is the roads, it's okay. The road to development is always under construction, don't mind. You see, every time there is development, there is always development. Kapan sa development, but yeah, it's alright, like that. Something is good, but something is bad also sometimes. Yeah. We cannot be always like that. It's very nice. So when the people is coming here, the beauty skies and the loam and the watts, when they sees, they go here taking selfie and also putting on the Facebook and then on the WhatsApp and the map and all that up. So what happened is the world see what the world don't see. It's what we see. And when they see what we see, and they will see what they don't see. So for them to see what they don't see because of what we see, we have to show what we see. Teng injale kum tahe, ba ka tinyo award siyang kinikisnong. Kam tome pakitip siya doon sa Delhi ba kidon kisnong prepare. Hapo kani ga West Castle District kibala Tracy Tom Radba. Bakin yo yang taki award. Amdan balik bentok patar. No shitting anywhere. Only using the toilet. See. And when I see the bamboo toilet, it's so nice. Keep your mind also, no worries. Like that, no? See, everything is green. So nice. Here the tree is green, the grass is green, the sky is blue, and I love you. Like that. So, it's very nice. So, like that, we there tomorrow, today the only local coming, tomorrow foreign coming, tourists coming, Torat, Dohe also coming. What we doing is showcasing again. When we showcasing what we have, the singing, the dancing, the food, the drinks, I know everybody waiting for that chance. Okay, it's alright. I have not had even one single bite, but I will take my chance sometime now when the bands will rock and roll and the head banging. So then we will be joining. So what I saying is, when they like that, the world and the tourist coming here, then they take the masjid again from here. The masjid of the beautiful of Mother Nature. And also the masjid of we the people of the West Castle Hill. Pak Karlindo, you see, so feeling proud. So feeling proud. Check the hills, no award. My God, why? East Castle Hill, some awards. Oh my God, why? West Castle Hill, so many awards. Ani, why? Like that. So the connection is there. And also, the villagers getting so many awards. Like that thing. Kalau setiap bikin dawan kita ki nong song ni kecil ruspa try gating pam dos yang te hai tarai. Te lembang ini ke award ru kadai katahi ba at the end of the day they go, they tell the world come to Nongkhnum festival. Bat ngamut kum tahi ngalaong Pak Charles begini perlok ngarap. Sentur bamo bangan WhatsApp. Kum ke tengah. Yap. Pagi bro kalian sedang kinong. Oh, where you been? In the Miami Beach? No man. It's not the Miami beach. It's a nongkhnum beach. You see, there is no sea, but there is beach. How? You don't know. Like that. You only know when you come to nongkhnum. Don't know. Come to nongkhnum. It's alright. Alright, that's enough about Manik. I hope you had fun. Kumpleshbun. इसलिए हम बोलता है सब लोग का आशा का आदमी जब का इधर का आएगा देखेगा कि ऐसा का सुंदर का टिप टॉप सब का स्वच्छ तो मोदी को भी मालूम यह भी स्वच्छ ऐसा करेगा Kabiang ni ang kumdaba. Kabiang ni ang kakong. Torna ka menta ka West Casil. Zoy! Manrat thay kata. Habai kam jam ini. Oi! That's like this. The key win like the air lang thari. I like it. Ni yak leri kong. Oh my God! That man is coming comics no. He's just standing talking like that. Oh my dear, stomach lapats. Laughing, the cheeks also cracking. Like pedants. Okay. Saksikan na kamanta. The Nongkhnum Festival, everybody. Let's give it up. Say oi! Fantastic people. You are...